My video is about removing pop-ups that are related to the website called Superplace4updates.info. Keep in mind that this is a very deceptive alert that may attack your Mac computer through your available browsers. The pop-up says that you need to install some extension called conf search. However, it's a fake alert and a fake update. Remember that Apple company doesn't use any third-party websites for promoting its updates. If there is any decent update available, there will be a special notification in System Preferences in the Software Update section. So you'll be able to find out about that by going to the Software Update in your System Preferences in Mac Settings. Now, currently, my Mac is up to date. However, all these pop-ups try to force me into downloading and installing some browser hijackers. This conf search is actually an unwanted extension that may hijack your default search engine. If you have mistakenly installed that conf search, of course, you need to get rid of it as soon as possible. This can be done by accessing your browser settings, your browser menu. Then you need to go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and you'll need to find this conf search extension and then to delete it. Well, now I'm going to install it on purpose in order to demonstrate to you how to remove it after it has been mistakenly installed. So let's wait a little bit and install this extension by adding it to the Google Chrome. Then go to the menu, click on More Tools, once again Extensions, find and delete any suspicious extensions you see here. You may just disable the extension, by the way, and then the problem should be fixed. However, I additionally recommend that you perform the thorough checkup of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you need to let it update the antivirus database. After that, click on Start Combo Scan and the program will begin the free research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode, however the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the threat manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.